Leap of Faith is just the right name for a slide that will scare the hell out of even the most badass fan of extreme leisure. The feature of this water slide is that it passes through a pool with shafts.
Oh, is it
the slide is
Atlantis?
shaped like a Mayan temple.
It's in Dubai
and while
as well.
firing through a 59-foot transparent tunnel,
Sick.
you can pray for the glass to be strong enough to protect you from hungry jaws.
No, no, no! This is
I would
literally
love it.
out of my nightmares. I went to Atlantis
love
in
it.
Dubai. I even sat on this ride. I lay down in the position, and the guy was like 3, 2, 1, and then I got up and I nearly cried. And I was like, no, no, I actually can't go down. I'm not going through there.
These ones don't make me comfortable because these are just like, hey, you ready? All right, bye. It's like, shut it. It's like, bro, where's you go? He just disappears, bro. This is like in space. They just close it. You just go.
Off you go. Oh.
Just like the speed that he drops. You're like, you ready? Okay. And you just go. You're just gone.
Oh my god. Oh.
That's fine.
I love
I haven't
rides
been on a
like
water
this,
slide
though.
in so long, but I feel like with COVID, it's not. It's
Yeah,
not
that's
ideal
not
anymore,
happening.
you know?
That's definitely not happening.
Everybody's sharing the same water. Gross.
Bloop.
Scorpion's Tail looks like a ride you don't want to mess with. It drops you 55 feet from a trap door, and by the time you hit the loop, you are moving at 30 miles per hour, and yes, it's a complete loop.
2, 1.
Dude, this is insane. This looks amazing. This looks so fun. The thing with water slides that I always hated though is like, it happens in like 5 seconds, and then you have to get up and wait, freezing your ass off in the cold. You're just like shivering in a line that's like an hour and a half, and then you finally get there. You're like, okay, you ready? Go. That was fun. All right.
Yay.
It's just like, bro, like.
No, my most hated part is like, cause you're going at such a speed and you're like going into water at the end, the wedgie, wedgie I get, it's like right in there. It's
I would
like,
always get it
dude.
up the nose. It's just like, you're going, you're like, oh.
No, you have to close your nose.
Oh, it's the worst, bro.
You're a rookie.
It's the worst. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I'm one of your hosts for this one, Jared Bronstein.
And I'm your other host, Aven Hassan. For more videos like this, click our playlist right up here.
Also, be sure to check the description down below. Click those links. If you go to one of those websites, smash that like button. You go to the other website, smash that follow button. But on this website, you gotta smash that like button, baby.
You're so proud.
Yeah.
And stick around till the end for the bloopers, you guys. There always are. Many.
The Boeing 747 water slide. Just a quick glance at the Boeing 747 water slide in Oregon will have you running towards the entrance. The incredible slide says on the roof of the Evergreen Wings and Waves water park and actually starts from the inside of a real decommissioned Boeing 747 plane. And then it winds its way inside the building and down to the pool below. And aside from taking the
That's
slides
really cool,
down to the
actually.
pool,
Yeah.
people also have the option of jumping off the plane, plunging down into the pool below.
Oh.
Where do you plunge? I wanna see that.
Exactly.
There you go.
That's interesting. But then also, aren't you cold if the water park's like inside? AC.
Depends what AC's on.
Bit of like burr, burr, burr.
I see, this sounds like a little wild idea, but I think it'd be cool to have water slides at airports.
Oh yeah,
like
and really
indoor-
pass the time. If you have a long layover.
You know what I mean?
just
Or
get
it's
on
like
the
even if you have
slides.
like kids and they're just like, hey, you know, you get there 2 hours early, you're waiting, delay. The kids are kicking, they're screaming, they're shitting their pants. Just let them go to the water slide.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro, Brazil. It is so tall that the locals don't risk climbing it, leaving it for crazy tourists and the adrenaline addicted. It's 163.7 feet tall, which is the height of 17
Oh my
stories.
God.
You have to be really insane to slide down from the world's
know if I can
second
do that.
tallest water
I don't know
slide.
if I can do that either.
Kilimanjaro, being over 163 feet tall, has
doesn't
an
even look that
inclination of
sturdy.
about
Yeah.
60 degrees, which allows the guests to reach 62 miles per hour when sliding. In other words, they reach the pool in about 5 seconds
my
after the
God.
beginning of the breathtaking slide.
No, okay, if you saw the shape, it goes like this before going down, and I can do that. If it's straight down, then I'm like,
I'm not good with heights. There's a video of me, but I was at like a sleepover camp. Like this was like literally 2-3 years ago, working for the entertainment company Bounce, and there was this jump. It must have been 15-20 feet, no more than that, into
Yeah.
the lake. And these kids, when I tell you guys, these kids must have been like 5 years old. They were this tall. Like they weren't even taller than my hips. Like they were little children. And they're just jumping off, having a good time.
Yeah.
And I look down and I'm like, whoa. They're like, oh, come on. I ended up doing it. And afterwards, my boss was just like, that was great. Like, you know, you're getting to say your name and cheer you on and this and that. And I was like, bro, I was fully serious. I was just scared to do that. Like, and that's when I realized I have a fear of heights.
oh, this one's easy.
This one looks pretty cool. I like it better when it's fully enclosed, because just the idea of just going off one side just scares me to death. This is like a roller coaster. I don't know how it's getting the momentum to go up and back down. That's insane.
Oh.
You see what I mean? Like how do you have that much?
No, it's because
The water's pushing?
Yeah, the water's pushing.
This is like the music really adds to it.
Yeah.
Dude. Intense, bro.
It's still going.
I was kind of hoping there could kind of go in the air and get
Yeah.
off, like, you know what I mean? Off and then back on. That'd be pretty cool.
Oh my god, I like these ones. The donut ones, easily
The
done.
donut ones, yeah, the
Easily
donut
done.
ones are much better.
But they're the worst because if you're sharing it with someone else or if you're alone and you're sitting in that awkward position where everybody's roles are just on display and everyone's just in joint agreement that our roles are going to be out there and we're just going to live life.
No one has roles.
No one has roles. Everyone has roles.
That's
it's
true.
normal.
Actually, we do all have roles, but nobody cares about your roles.
Yeah,
like,
literally.
The bullet bowl pretty much has a simple design, but it does build within its riders a sense of anticipation as it sends them on a slow spiral around the bowl before immediately sending them plummeting down to an extremely dark and steep drop. Many
That's
people
really
have
cool.
tried and lost their lunches to this water slide.
I like these ones.
That was
I like
cool.
these
I
ones
like
a
that.
lot, especially when you're with your friends. There's one in Dubai where like you're in a big like round thing and there's like 7 of you in it and then we're just going around. It's quite fun.
I like the water log, the at Universal Studios, like the log rides.
When you go down?
When you just drop and the water just splashes. That's fun.
I love how you chose like the least scariest. I like the log ride.
That's fun. You get the water splashed on you, take a picture of in the air. It's cool.
Aqualoop, Oxenford, Australia. The creators describe it somehow like this. Before the start, you get into a capsule,
See, that's-
where you are then locked in,
Oh,
waiting
God. Oh, that's
nervously
really
for the unknown.
small.
Countdown.
That's a very small space.
2, 1.
And the audience is staring at you from far below. Then the floor literally
You see what I
falls
mean?
from
This is what
under
I
your
mean by
feet,
it's just like
and
they
you
lock
drop
you in.
down almost 56 feet.
just drop?
Then you get to loop the loop, and the water takes you at 37 miles per hour along a twisted route of over 295 feet to finish your adventure with a huge splash in the pool.
See, that has the things on the side, so you're not going over it. That I think I would actually do.
I know, but look how like small the space is.
That's fine. What I like, so I think the idea of going skydiving is incredible.
Okay.
Like Will Smith said it best. He's like, the feeling that you have, you're flying. He's like, you're just free. You're flying.
Yeah.
And there's nothing matters because you're just in the air
Yeah.
and you're just flying. And I was like, I would love to experience that, but my fear of heights will never let me. I'll just, and I don't care what you guys say. I don't care what comments you leave saying, oh, do it. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. There's nothing else I can say. I
No,
just don't care. I'm
but
not going to do it ever.
that's-
But I feel like that slide is like the next best thing.
Okay, that's definitely not the next best thing to
Because
skydive.
you just drop it, you're just kind of dropping.
The world's longest and second longest water slides in the world, both in one park. These slides are called Wildebeest and Mammoth. They offer a breathtaking
Is that
slide
like what-
with drops, twists, and turns
Yeah,
of over
but bigger.
1,700 feet. The trip takes
17
2.5 minutes,
Oh,
and
wow.
they are all packed of joy. First, a head-spinning rush down a 65.5-foot slope, then climbing 39 feet up. Mammoth was 1,761 feet long and has been since then the longest in the world, leaving Wildebeest with an honourable second place. The slide takes 3 minutes all in all and has 6 sharp drops and elevations, with the biggest being almost 69 feet tall, the height of a 7-story building.
This is worth it to me. If you're waiting in line for that long and
That'd
then
be
the
great.
ride is 7 minutes long, I'll
it
take
3
it.
minutes, no?
No, the longest one is 7.5.
I
The
thought you
second
said-
one is 3.5.
I thought he said 2.5 and 3.
No.
Oh.
This epic water coaster ride hurdles you 765 feet through an acrylic tube filled with water on top of a cruise ship.
Ooh.
It's located on the Disney Fantasy Cruise Liner
Shout
and
out
it
Mickey.
spans 4 decks, giving you an amazing view of the ship and ocean as you make your way around
That's
and off
cute.
the slide.
That's really cool.
Ooh.
Wow, I like the LEDs.
Oh, wow.
As you say, we stand.
We stand.
It's like trying to wipe
He's
the
like, my
screen.
GoPro. Oh, I like all the lights.
You know what would be cool? A haunted house water slide.
Oh, frick that, no.
That'd be sick, bro.
What's gonna come out at you though? There's not enough space.
Well, that's what I mean. It's just like things would just.
Oh my god,
Like,
or you prank people and you don't tell them that actually you're gonna get stuck midway. And then they'll start, the fear will start bubbling.
The toboggan, located in Città del Mare on the coast of Sicily, is absolutely beautiful. Not really a single slide, but a series of 7 smaller slides. It's perched on top of a cliff, where you can slide a level down into a pristine pool, slide down another level into another pool, and then slide down yet another level, finally splashing down on the Mediterranean Sea. If thrills are what you're looking for, then the toboggan is definitely not for you. But if what you're after is a serene place that's close to nature, offering a precise balance
That
of
looks
Mother Nature and modern amenities,
beautiful.
then you get your passport out and fly over to Italy right now.
This one I can do.
That would be amazing.
Yeah. Oh, this music. Oh.
Tijuana, Mexico. Oh, wow. You get air? Bro.
Oh my god. Has anyone ever had so much speed that they just don't even land in the pool? That's horrific.
That would be awful. That pool should be a lot bigger than it is.
Yeah, literally.
That's like a little square, man.
I don't trust that.
What is going on here? Looks like a cattle. Like it's like a bunch of cows.
Yeah.
Like,
Out you go. Where even are
I
they?
can't even see because the water's in the lens. How many people are there? Like, are they
Oh
all...
my god, how are they doing that?
That's what I was saying. There's like, look at how many bodies there are. Are they all
that
connected by their
safe?
legs? By their
Yeah,
feet?
yeah. Oh my god, what if you get stuck with someone who has nasty ass feet?
Like, what if you get stuck with somebody that has nice feet and you want to just suck on their toes?
Well, there's that.
Just to clarify, I actually don't like feet that much, but I know some
I'm
people
not a
do,
feet
so.
person.
Verrückt is German for crazy or insane, and standing at 168 feet 7 inches, it was once the world's tallest water slide. In August of 2016, though, there was a tragic accident where a young boy was actually decapitated. He was one of 3 passengers on a raft
That's it for
with
this
2
one.
women, one of whom
Oh my
suffered a broken
God.
jaw and the other a broken bone in her face, requiring stitches in her eye. But the ride itself has been shut down indefinitely.
Like,
Let's see.
I want to know how did he, like,
Oh. I actually remember doing this story about water slides, but I don't remember what happened.
I'm
I think
curious
he
how
tried
it
to
started.
stand up. It wasn't like that old of a boy. So I think he tried to stand up or something, and then something happened.
took it.
Yeah. Or the raft turned. I'm not too sure. But even then, how could that decapitate?
That's why I'm very
Well,
confused.
either way, I'm not going on that.
yeah, that, bro.
Insano is the world's tallest water slide, towering over the landscape at a whopping
This looks like those Hot
135
Wheel
feet high.
like
It is the
things.
equivalent of a
I love Hot Wheels.
14-story
Those are the
building.
best.
Insano has been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records, and brave riders plummet down the
Oh my
slide
God,
at
that
a nerve-shredding
view.
speed, reaching around 65 miles an hour. Even though it is 135 feet, the ride only lasts 4 to 5 seconds.
Oh my god. I'd be so scared.
That is a great view, though. I just want to see how steep the drop
Yeah. No, that's doable. That's doable, I think.
is. Debatable.
That's doable. I would do most of these, to be
I
honest.
would do most of them too,
I'd-
but I don't know.
yeah.
I also feel like in the moment I could say that. And then when I'm there, I would be like, whoa.
No, oh, ee. I'll be waiting downstairs
Yeah,
with
like
water
literally.
bottles.
The towels to dry you guys off. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this one. I've been your host, Jared Bronstein.
I've been your other host, Eamon Hassan. Stick around because the bloopers are about to roll shortly.
And make sure to check out our social media because, you know, we're social people.
On
and
the media.
We post media on these social platforms. So interact with us a little bit, you know? Drop a comment. Say
Smash a
hi.
like.
Do whatever the things that you do.
Bye.
See you later.
Really? Am I still not even as tall as you with heels?
No, dude.
Did you just laugh at me?
Everyone thinks I'm a f***ing short bean, but I'm not.
I never said you were short.
Everyone here is just, all the ladies here are just so f***ing tall.
And I'm your other host, Eamon Hassan, and today we're gonna be doing water slide flip. Sorry. And I'm your other host, Eamon Hassan, and today we're gonna be doing water slide fails.
No.
No?
water slides that can't be real.
Oh, come on, man.
You almost had it, love.
And I'm your other host, Eamon Hassan, and today we're gonna be giving you.
Don't even say the title. You can literally just be like,
I'm just
here's a playlist right now.
Okay.
It's not worth
Can
the
you
risk.
imagine being baked and going skydiving? I I'd actually release a turd while I'm falling.
I actually think I'd be the opposite. I think I'd be much more calm, and I think
No.
I think for me it'd be the most euphoric feeling in the world. I think I would just fall and just be like, whoa, this is an experience of life. Like, I would just be in the air, just feeling the air in my hands, and just be like, yeah, this is my purpose.
Like 10 minutes down, anyone hungry? Like
It literally just like, yo, I'm really hungry
are we
now.
landing near a McDonald's?